solar system. The solar system is made up of planets that orbit around the sun. The sun is at the center and the planets revolve around it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the 8 planets. A path of a planet is called an orbit. Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to the sun and hottest too. Neptune is the farthest planet and coldest too. Jupiter is the biggest planet among all of them. Saturn is the only planet which has rings around it. Venus is also known as the brightest planet in the solar system. We live in Earth. It is the only planet where life exists.